Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to get too far on Warframe Easy Guide. Start by opening your Warframe account settings and locating the security or two-factor authentication section to begin setup. Then choose Authenticator app or email codes and follow prompts to scan the QR or enter the code. Store backup codes safely, confirm the setup, and test login with 2FA enabled to avoid lockouts. We'll compare email 2FA, Authenticator apps, and hardware keys so you can pick what fits you best. Authenticator apps like Google Authenticator or Authy generate offline codes and are easy to set up. Email 2FA sends codes to your address but has higher risk. Hardware keys cost extra but give top security. Pick one, enable it in Warframe settings, and save your backup codes now. Quick recommendation: if you're cleaning up account clutter, try the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for voice control and use voice commands for smarter tidy-ups. It finds dust like you find security holes, and it saves time for real account care. If you're finding the video helpful, please subscribe and like. Check the description for the link and more deals. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. If 2FA codes fail, first sync your device clock and retry the login process calmly. If you lose your authenticator, use backup codes or contact Warframe support with proof of ownership for recovery. Never share codes or screenshots of backup keys with anyone. Store backup codes offline in a safe place and enable biometrics on your phone for easier and quicker logins if available.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.